How to use bet365 statistics and betting insights. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use bet365's statistics and betting insights. Well, to do so, what you can do is you can head over to the particular sports that you would like to bet on, a particular game or any such. So here, let me load up anyone. Now there, what you can do is you can click on the particular match once it's loaded. Now I'm having some network issue here but once you click on the match and open it, and if you scroll down below, you should be able to see the graph section where you will be able to see all the games statistics and betting insights. You should also be able to see the live statistics and player stats if the game is live. If you want to view your gambling statistics, you can click on the profile icon at the top, and then you can tap on my activity and you should be able to see your activities as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.